We're here at Spieker Point, Software Engineering and Solutions, at their open house and 8th anniversary. Welcome to FusedLogic TV. I'm your host, Walter Schwabe. I'm joined with Mike Johnson of AON REED. Mike, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Let's talk a little bit about the insurance industry and how the insurance industry is currently using analytics regarding insurance placements.
Well, right from the 1600s, insurers have been using analytics, right from the Lloyd's coffee houses insuring ships. And so it's been integral to the industry right from the inception. In the last 50 to 100 years, insurers have really kind of focused their analytics on market segments, so classes of business, types of losses, and that sort of thing. And that's been, again, very standard. Insurance brokers, more recently, particularly in the last 10 years, we've been trying to leverage our own data from our own clients to try to differentiate them and try to really use that to get best possible pricing. And that's been really a variable side of the industry, and not everybody's doing it the same. So that's a major
So that's
focus.
a bit of a competitive advantage for AON REED in that particular case. Is that generally what you're saying? Or?
Well, we're the largest broker in Canada, and we've got a lot of volume in various segments of business. So we've been really working hard to leverage that data, and we've got some internal proprietary databases that we use for that.
Very good. So let's talk about the future then. Okay, so AON REED sounds like you guys are blazing a bit of a trail there relating to, I mean, you did say back into the 1600s. I think analytics would have been fascinating back then
I'm
as
sure,
well.
yeah, very simple, yeah.
But much simpler, yes.
Yeah.
So let's talk about the future and what you see in terms of how this is going to evolve with respect to analytics in the insurance industry.
Well, businesses, they want predictability and they want a smoothing of costs. And we can't always rely on industry data. What's broad in the industry does not always apply to an individual business. And so the future of analytics is really taking data from our clients, from our corporate clients that we work with, and using that to help them manage risk. And that can be looking at how much do they need to retain versus insure, or that might be how much they might want to remove a whole class of business from their portfolio. So that's really the future of it will really be more specific to the corporation than using mass market data.
Mike, thank you so much for joining us here on FusedLogic TV.
Great, thank you. Appreciate it.
We're joined by Mike Johnson of AON REED here at Spieker Point's open house. I'm your host, Walter Schwabe, on FusedLogic TV.